Good afternoon, everyone. So, I would like to grab this opportunity to discuss also to you about the second homecoming of Dr. Jose Rizal. So, of course, now after I read the last part of the paragraph, sa previous discussion, these are the purpose why Rizal urges to come back home. So, what was Rizal's reason for going to the Philippines? So, what was the purpose of La Solidaridad? And what made Rizal think that the battle was in the Philippines, not in Madrid? What was the price of Rizal's entrapment? And what are the reasons for Rizal's excel in the Pitan? So how does Rizal live his life in the Pitan? So these are the big questions, no, that anchors between that anchors to the ideas to be presented. Okay, basic facts, the decoy trials and grudges. So the first three reasons for going back to the Philippines. First, we wanted to talk to Governor General Dispohol. This is Dispohol, guys, about his Borneo colonization project. Okay? So, what is this, no? Kaduha, he would establish the Liga Filipina to unite the Filipino people in the truest sense of unity and solidarity against violence and deprivation. And the third, he would like to prove to Eduardo Bilip that the criticism published against him in La Solidaridad had no basis but only pure speculation. uh, it's just happened that the government is not in favor to the action being done by Dr. Jose Rizal. So that is the reason why with all of this kaning Borneo colonization project. So of course part of part of that no mo gina no nga kaning Borneo is separate kuan man siya. But actually it was Rizal naguna-una si Rizal no what are the good things that he can do to unite everyone wherein adto siya makita dito sa La Liga Filipina usa ni sa ilahang purpose to be homogeneous a homogeneous body Filipino. Okay, so trudge along the flame of fire. So the battle is in the Philippines and not in Madrid. So from there we will help one another. Together we will fight and sacrifice for the sake of our homeland. So Rizal to his fellow Filipino patriots in Europe. So this of course no kani siya nga word is mo ni na nakuha ni Dr. Jose Rizal because ilang mang nakuha no nagbuom sa La Liga Filipina. But unfortunately, of course, the purpose of La Liga Filipina there abroad is mo na siya sekreto nga samahan no. But unfortunately, the battle is not in Madrid. Sinadiri sa Philippines. So for them, unsa man nga paagi. So instead, sige sila tudyok dito sa gawas, dili na lang sila ni dili sila nagtinguha nga ilahang i-establish ang La Liga Filipina diri sa atoa. So I believe that La Solidaridad is no longer the instrument for struggle. The fight is no longer in Madrid, it is in the Philippines. So results, that is one of the statement no, quoted in the letter of Blooming Creek. So reasons why Rizal knew that his homecoming in the Philippines would mean danger to his life. So he was forced to index two letters. So entrusted to Dr. Lorenzo Cruz, the letters will be given to his parents, brothers, sisters, friends, and most of all of his beloved native and land if he were already dead. So of course, Rizal already no, unsay hudyat sa ihang pag-uli diri. He will be facing an imminent danger. So for that, muna ang naghimo si Rizal og letter. Mi ultimo adios no. Gani pero dili pa to mi ultimo during those time wala pa siya naghimo plus no because the mi ultimo adios was created during the time prior closer to its to Dr. Jose Rizal's execution. So in his letter to his family and friends, he divulged believed to die for a noble deed. So of course, isang kabayanihan no, niyang buhaton. For his letter to his fellow countrymen, he shared with them that he only followed the dictum of his conscience and that he would rather choose to die for his loved ones and for his native soil. So grabe gid si Dr. Rizal no, adios patria adorada no. The last farewell, the ultimo adios. Rizal went to Manila on June 21, 1892 together with Lucia. So, kanang igsuon. And the fear Spanish soldiers with some of the officers of the civil guards came to inspect them, and then he met the governor in the Malacanang Palace to request for the postponement of the exile of his father, sisters, and his brother-in-law, Obaldo. So he was able to convince the governor. He was informed by the government that the governor that inspectors find pobres frailes. Nana siya, this is a letter, no? Or kuan siya, a literary work, no? Na nagkuan niya nga may pitiful friars in his baggage. The friars learned about they blasted with so much anger. Buto na suko, no? Buto sa kalagot. So the price of Laong Laan's entrapment. Laong Laan is the pen name used by Dr. Jose Rizal. So, of course, in order to investigate this one, the friars and the other katubang mga antagonists in the life of Rizal, they actually strive to find kanabang makakita sila o kanang singa na niya ang terminology. Makakita sila ebidensya, no? According to Father Pablo Pastel, superior of the Jesuit organization in the Philippines, Rizal could only reside in a missionary house providing that the following conditions were met. So, if Rizal will retract from all his accusations against, ngayon retract plus bakwion, no? Yung bakwion, no? All of his accusations against the Catholic Church because the content of the Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo is actually devastating, no? The 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 systems of the government, the different personalities and different endeavors of the friar, which is kana bang nanlupig sila, no, sa mga tao. Muna. So, if Rizal would if Rizal would retract from all his accusations against the Catholic Church, it would declare pro-Spanish and anti-rebellion. Oy hala. This is very difficult, no, for Dr. Jose Rizal. Rizal would follow the ordinances of the Catholic Church and he would confess for all the sins he committed throughout his life. But no ni mga conditions, no? Katulo, if his attitude of a person who was submitting himself to the custody of the Catholic Church and to the jurisdiction of the Spanish government, no? Ang kuan diri class, no, ang challenge diri is actually this is an entrapment. Why gitawag ni siya entrapment? If actually if Rizal will do a retraction, so this only prove that Rizal actually kanang mura yang gituyo, no, mahimo siya ginato niya. He knows that what he is doing, what he was doing is wrong, no, niya. Muna si Rizal, he himself wala niya buhata because one way, no, nga mo retract siya is only means nga nagkasala giday siya. It was being done intentionally. So, nga pa diri no. Muna sa number 2, who would follow the ordinances of the Catholic Church and he would confess for all the sins. Rizal is very brilliant. Why? He himself knows, no, that whatever will be the things that he will ought to divulge dito sa pare, may possibility that it can be used against him. Munang wala gina si Rizal matuman. So the Rizal disagreed to the aforesaid conditions. As a result, Rizal was ordered to reside at Captain Carnicero's house. Captain Carnicero's house. As a matter of fact, of course, they became close to each other, no? Because Captain Carnicero really admired to his behavior and wonderful personality. And then there were times, no, at often times they eat together. Yeah, after that, they become close to each other. So gani, si Kapitan Carnicero actually tell the story about Dr. Rizal to Governor Bispo Hall. Okay? So Captain Carnicero gave Rizal a complete freedom. So Rizal was free to go anywhere and he was only given once a week to report. So murag nahug siya o class o kining gitawag na to og home imprisonment or kanabang dili home imprisonment kanang unsa gay term ani sa mga lawyer na kanang house arrest o mura sa house arrest. So, but instead of being ano, bang, instead of reporting every week, this is to what is the purpose? Why is it that Rizal was given a house arrest? This is to because the hearing no is still going on, the investigation is still going on. Of course, uh, ilang gihold ang right ni Rizal to travel anywhere. No? So Rizal created a form for Capitan Carnicero, and then as a matter of fact, of course, Dr. Jose Rizal read or kanabang presented those poem during Capitan Carnicero's birthday. No? It was happened August 26, 1892. So on May 4, 1893, Capitan Carnicero left the Pitan and a very strict commandant in the person of Captain Juan Sitges replaced him. So after some days, he became close to Rizal and he regained Rizal's freedom. So next, we have to discuss the life of Rizal in the Pitan. Okay? So, he established his own house. So, of course, no, si Rizal established, naghimo siya iyang kaugaling balay surrounded with plants and fruit-bearing trees at the nearby seashore. So, if we are going to imagine, nindot din siguro kayo ng balay ni Dr. si Rizal, no? Okay? Surrounded with kuambia, fruits, fruit-bearing trees. He also made a house for his young student boys. So, of course, uh, because naam siya mga kuha na to sa una, no? Naam siya mga helper, no? Rizal devoted all his precious time in treating his patients, research study, and in the development of his knowledge in art, literature, education, language, and science. So of course, yung gigamit no to teach the students also. Tanan no, mo ni diri in all endeavor. He also dedicated his time to farming, business activities, civic projects, as well as exchanging letters with Blumentritt, Joyce, Ross, Mayer, Notel, Kill, and with other scientists in Europe. So he's also connecting with his friends in Europe. So here, we're going to talk about Rizal as a doctor in the Pitan. So of course, no, ang first na patient ni Dr. Jose Rizal is yung mama. So as a doctor gani, si Dr. Jose Rizal did not ask any amount from his patient. So he will just ano bang magkuhan siya no, yung isang magkuhan na siya kanang libre ra ang ihang pag consultation, pagpanambal. He treated his patient no matter how poor he was. He did not ask payment from poor patients and instead give give them free medicines. His mother, Doña Chodora, and his sister Maria arrived in the Pitan in August 1893. So uh, he treated his mother for the third time. Doña Chodora and Maria reside with Rizal in the Pitan for 1.5 years because his mother's eyes were infected. So, na-infected ito ang mga mata, no? Rizal as an engineer. So, of course, ang gibuhat ni Rizal is naghimo siya og establish a waterworks system in the Pitan. So that the residents there could have clean water to drink, no? Mr. H.F. Cameron, an American engineer, praised Rizal for the wonderful invention. So Rizal's project for the Pitan. So he devoted his time for so many months treating the malaria epidemic that was spreading throughout the place. Another project was the beautification of the Pitan. So nindot kay mga nabuhat si Rizal, no? Rizal made artistic innovation at the Pitan Park to augment its beautiful surrounding. So daghan, no? Daghan siya nabuhat si Rizal sa Dapitan. Received from his Englishman patient in putting up oil lamps at the dark streets of Dapitan. So daghan siya nabuhat. As a teacher, of course, Rizal established a school, no? This is prior to the kay ngano class na may discrimination sa una, no? Katong mga pobre kay tanan class, katong mga private class, they're not going to admit the student. No, dili nila dawato ng mga estudyante. So, katong mga wala da pangdawata class, mo ti pandawaton ni Rizal. Luoy kaayo, no? May pandawaton ni Rizal in order to give them ano, tagaan sila chance to learn. I don't know if we are going to compare the system sa una, kay ang system sa una class, like karon naman accreditation because we are looking up to a very standardized way of education. So karon class, murag no need na siguro accreditation approval because what is only necessary is for them to know how to read and write and to speak languages like Spanish and English. So Rizal's contribution to science, language, uh, study, art, creation in the Pitan. So Rizal sent different specimens of plants, creatures, insects, etc. in different museums in Europe. So in return, the museum sent them science books and medical instruments as a payment. He mastered different languages, mastering 22 languages. He donated several artifacts in the Pitan's beautification. So daghan ko siyang nabuhat no in terms of civic um, giving service into the society. So I think this would be the end of our first chapter, the first part of his homecoming.